Hi dear students, I'm going to show you how I went ahead and created this boat using a template, using the paper clay that we've been working with. Here I have my drawing. Let me start with that. So this is the exploded view. I've got the side view, I've got the top view, and then, I've got a view from the front. Hopefully you can see that. And you don't need to draw that, it's just what I needed to do so I could kind of figure out what I wanted to do. So I'm focusing on this part, and I have a piece of tracing paper that I'm going to use for it, but you can just cut up your drawing. For me, I just want to use this tracing paper because then I don't have to cut this up. Okay, so here I have my 3 template pieces, and I found a bowl right here. My last one I put over a wooden bowl, and I thought the curve was a little bit too much, but I thought for this one I might be able to make it work right here. And I might have to take that clay and somehow move it out of there. I don't know if this is going to work, but I was kind of trying to think of how I could make this work, because I want that to stick out that way a little bit, and I don't know if this is going to be the thing to do, but I might just try that or try something different. Let's see. So I'm going to get a slab of paper clay, and then I'm just going to roll it out right here on the table. I'm going to make sure that I keep turning it, that way it's not going to get stuck to the table. I'm going to try to get it very thin, and I mostly need a very long piece because my piece I think is 27 inches, so I need to make sure I have enough space for that, but I can always knit them. I like having texture in my clay, so I'm going to draw some wood grain texture in here before I cut my shapes. Okay, I think I'm good, so now I'm going to lay my strips across here and kind of see what I can do, and I need 2 of each, so I'll start with these, and I'll probably kind of lay these out like that. And I think then this one can go in front of it, and then that paper is not sticking, so I'm just wetting it down a little bit to see if I can get the paper to stick a little bit to this, because I really need this to stick for me so I can cut these out well. These are not super accurate, and I'm okay with that. And then I'm going to flip them because I want them in the opposite direction on the other side. For my other boat, I used a bowl that I kind of laid things on top of, and I was thinking this one might work, but it's too straight here, and actually it's just not quite big enough if I wanted to go around this way. So I've decided what I'm going to do is, get that out of the way, is I have these 2 mats, and I'm going to lay them on top of a rolling pin. Oops, here's I'm going to lay them on top of the rolling pin because it needs to be, one side needs to be this wide, and I think that works with the rolling pin, and then rigging something over on top of that. So I'm going to give that a try. Alright, so hopefully you can see that angle there. I'm going to put some tape over it, but I think that's the right shape for my boat. As you can see, I've got my pieces arranged here. I think it'll be fine. I'll come back tomorrow and then I'll construct the piece. And you'll see I have lots of extra pieces here. And I've got a lot more here that I'm going to just lay on this arrangement here, just so I have lots of extra pieces to work with, because I like the look of things being kind of pieced together. So I want to make sure that I have lots of extra pieces to make that work for me.